Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So the market dipped and we had several buy orders in our different Telegram group, the general Telegram group, the VIP Telegram group, the general group got a buy order. Then the VIP, okay, let me see if I can show you guys. Let me see, where's my Telegram? Okay, yeah, let me just show you this one. This is from January 3rd. Yeah, January 3rd. Okay, let me so this is January 3rd, and you can see we put the first buy order here, and that one clicked, and then we made some profit from there. And we placed this line, another support line, where we'll buy at 1.202. So it got to 1.202 and picked up from there, right? We have lots and lots of these buy orders that were placed on different cryptocurrencies. If you want to know what our buy orders are, what we're buying, make sure you subscribe to our academy, and the link is in the description below, right? This is our blockchain university. You can take a programming course to learn how to program, how to create a cryptocurrency, how to write smart contracts, and this course lets you understand what blockchain is. And this is our trading course. After taking this course, okay, we'll add it to all our VIP groups. All right, let's take a look at the markets. So I'm just going to refresh it a little bit because I checked the markets quite early. So Bitcoin is around $43,000. Hopefully it gets to $40,000 so we can dive in. Ethereum is 3,452. Binance Coin is 8% down. Solana is 149. Anyways, this is just an early year bonus, right? Hope you can grab some of these opportunities. Let's take a look at the news. Bitcoin holdings of public companies surged in 2021. Right? Yeah, we saw a lot of companies going into crypto and buying crypto assets, giving for long term. I think there's an article. Okay, this is the article. The top public companies with biggest Bitcoin portfolios. So we're just going to get a list quickly. MicroStrategy. What? Why is MicroStrategy number one? Anyways, MicroStrategy doesn't have the highest number of Bitcoin. Block One does. Okay. Tesla owns Bitcoin. Galaxy Digital Holdings hold Bitcoin. Voyager Digital Block. That's not Block One, that's Block. Which other company? Marathon, Hot 8, Coinbase, Riot. Of course, these are crypto companies. Anyways, moving on to some other news. Bank of Jamaica completes first CBDC pilot. The Bank of Jamaica initially partnered with Irish cryptography firm eCurrency Means for its CBDC project in March. So CBDC just means central bank digital currency. Is just a digital version of fiat currency that was already dying. That's just it. And the reason why they're doing all these things is because they've seen the progress in cryptocurrency and they want to move in. Now, speaking of companies who want to move into cryptocurrency, is Samsung. Samsung uses blockchain technology to address climate change. And recently we saw news how that Samsung's latest, their new versions of television or TV is going to have NFT where you'll be able to, buy and sell NFT on your TV. Right, so Samsung is making big moves into the crypto and blockchain industry. Right, so I read this news yesterday, and I was like, what in the world is this? So 3 reasons why Phantasma Soul is chasing after new all-time highs. I read about this for the first time yesterday. I'm not going to lie to you, but it's what's giving it a trial. And I was like, a cryptocurrency is called a soul. So I just bought a soul. That'll be weird, man. Imagine talking to someone and be like, I have 3 souls that I've bought. What? Anyways, I just love the name. I thought, okay, I'm gonna read about it and possibly buy if I have spare cash. Moving on. The number of countries banning crypto has doubled. Yay! Good news, because this is not the first time. China has banned cryptocurrency more than 100 times. Right, so we've seen different countries, most especially banks, call crypto a scam, call it dead, only to come back a few years later. And the reason why they are doing all this is because they are trying to bring out their own what? CBDC. All right, let's go to some other news. Coinbase CEO reportedly buys LA mansion. LA means Los Angeles mansion for $133 million. I don't know why this is a crypto news, but it makes the rest of the world thinks or believes that, hey, cryptocurrency people have money, so I should go into cryptocurrency also. And also in a related news, right, the CEO of Binance actually bought a house in Dubai. Some nice move. The only problem I have with Dubai is the whole vaccine policy they have over there. Moving on, Avedo seeks to bring event planning to the blockchain. Right, so the summary of all this is that you'll be able to book events, have what's it called? Have ticket issued on the blockchain, buying a ticket, yeah, that's it, issued on the blockchain. It's an old concept that several people have tried to solve, but none of them have become really, really popular. But let's see how this goes. We'll come back to it in a few months. We are 50% of the way there, says Vitalik on Ethereum development. They've been saying this for years. Okay, that's my WhatsApp. Gotta click it and quit it. All right, so Ethereum 2.0. Several years ago, Ethereum, Dan Larimer, the guy that built EOS, I know you guys want to hear EOS, but told Vitalik, hey, Ethereum, you're building Ethereum on the wrong nodes. Poor technology is gonna have issues in the future. Of course, Vitalik said, hey, you don't know what you're saying, but a few years later, Dan Larimer was right. And Vitalik's trying to solve the whole problem, and it's taking years. I hope they get this done. Some juicy news. El Salvador prepares 20 bills to provide legal framework for Bitcoin burns. Now, I'm going to read this, right? Not going to take much time. The raft of bills will help El Salvador's government establish the legal and financial framework for $1 billion Bitcoin bond issue known as Vacado bonds. What? Yeah, Vacado bonds. El Salvador's government, led by President, that's his name, has moved ahead with plans to issue Bitcoin bonds by preparing 20 bills designed to provide legal framework. Right, this is some good news for crypto adoption, and I think they're going to use this to pay off their debts. And let me just search because I don't want to. Oh yeah. A Eurobond is a debt tool for countries to raise funds. Yep, that's it. They want to use it to pay their debt, and that is pretty smart. Moving on to the last news we have for us today. Airbnb users want crypto payment options according to CEO's Twitter poll. Right, yep, that's some news that says crypto is coming to some more platforms. All right, guys, that's all I have for us today. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me know what you think about the news today. And if you want to learn how to trade, how to make money through trading daily, make sure you go through this course, right? We'll show you everything you need to know. And if you want to know how to know which cryptocurrency to buy and hold for long term, make sure you take this course. And if you want to learn how to program, how to create cryptocurrency, how to write smart contract, then you take this course, right? See ya.